athaki kuuma mabururi magacooka.
As I'm playing for Kenya, and because I'm playing with one of my competitors that I really want to beat, so I think I might come first because I have a lot of competitors that I will be challenging. So let's hope I have a good game tomorrow and we finish off well with a good score. Expectations is I might come second place. Yeah, because I have a competitor that I really want to beat, so my target is him.
I'm Zimbabwe and I play off a +1 handicap. There's definitely going to be competition, but that comes with golf. There's always going to be competition, and I think just blocking out the competition and playing your own game is very important for golf, so that you don't put too much pressure on yourself. And yeah, I think that's something I'm very capable of. I would definitely love to win the tournament. Obviously, that's something that's out of my control, but I think I'd like to break 70 for all 3 rounds, and I think I'd be very happy if I can go away with a score maybe around 10 under, and yeah, hopefully that'll be enough to win.